Hi, my name is Oktay. Welcome to today's video about the tram lines of Dresden. This is a nice picture from Dresden. That's the Frauenkirche, the Lutheran church. Dresden is the capital of the German state of Saxony. It has a population of 569,000 people and was first documented in the year 1206. This is a picture of the newest model that was delivered to the city of Dresden. That's the Alstom NGT DXDD Flexity Classic Series. And in this year 2023, Dresden will receive 33 of these new trams. This is another picture of the same model from the side. And you can see in this picture it has this tram has 5 segments and total of 10 axles. It has 5 bogies with 2 axles each. This is a nice picture of the NGT DXDD in a test at a loop in the street Webergasse. This is a map of the tram system of Dresden. It is very big. It has 12 lines and a total length of 134 kilometers. The tram system was opened in 1872, and today the lines have a standard frequency of 10 minutes. This is a picture of the line 1 at the station Pirnaischer Platz. The line 1 goes from Prohlis to Leutewitz, and this station is an inner city transit station. This is another tram from the line 1 at the same station, Pirnaischer Platz. It has this red advertisement. 112 is the phone number of the firefighters in Germany, and on this tram the 150 years anniversary of the firefighters of Dresden was celebrated. This is the line E2. That's a general principle in Germany. Additional lines that support the main lines get the letter E. So, for example, the line E2 supports the regular line 2. This is station Betriebshof Gorbitz. The tram on the left is a Tatra model T4D, and at the right you can see the model NGT D12DD. The number 12 indicates the number of axles. This is a picture from the line 2 near the station Dresden Mitte. Line 2 goes from Klein Schachwitz to Gorbitz, and this is again the model NGT DXDD. This is a picture from the transit station in the inner city Dresden Mitte. And again, that's the model NGT DXDD giant tram. This is a picture from the side, and you can see the bogie. And the wheels are not that big. Another picture from the side of the line 2 at this, in the street Freiberger Straße. This is another picture near this street Freiberger Straße. And you can see the segments 2 and 4 are free floating. They have no bogies. This is a picture from the station Altmarkt on the line 2. This tram has a military design because it adds for the Bundeswehr, which is the German army. This is the tram on the line 2 near the station Hygienemuseum. This is a Deutsche Hygienemuseum, German Hygiene Museum. It was opened in 1912, and its purpose is to educate the people about hygiene and their diseases. This is a picture from the line 3 at the station Albertplatz. The line 3 goes from Coschütz to Wildermann. Wilder Mann means wild man. It's a district of Dresden, and this name goes back to a historical event in this district. This is Albertplatz, is another transit station, and you can see the model NGT D12DD. This is the line E3, additional line, at the station Hauptbahnhof, central station of Dresden. This model is again the Tatra T4D MT. This is a picture of the nice station of Dresden Hauptbahnhof, central station. It was opened in 1898, and it is an island station. This is the interior of the station. This station is a terminus station and at the same time a through station. The inner tracks end at the station Hauptbahnhof, and the outer tracks go through the station. And on this picture you can see the train from the line MRB, Mitteldeutsche Regiobahn. This train comes from the city of Zwickau. This is a picture from the line 3 at the station Plauen. This is the model NGT D12DD. This tram makes as an ad for science, culture. This is the tram 3 near the station Kemmerswalder Straße. This is another beautiful station in inner city, Dresden Bahnhof Neustadt. This is a transit station to several tram lines, and this station was opened in 1901. This is a funny picture. This is the tram from Chemnitz. It came all the way from Chemnitz to Dresden, which is a 78-kilometer trip. And this is a picture from the Citylink tram of Chemnitz at this station Dresden Neustadt. This is a picture from the line 4 at Theaterplatz. The line 4 goes from Laubegast to Weinböhler. And this is the model NGT6, the DD. Has 6 axles. This is another beautiful place. That's Theaterplatz, Theater Square of Dresden. The big building in the middle is the Semper Opera. It was built in the year 1841. This is a picture from the line 4 on this Altenberger Straße. This is an advertisement for Kraftwerk Mitte. Kraftwerk Mitte is a former power plant, and it was renovated and rebuilt, and today it's a culture site. This is a picture from the eastern terminus of the line 4 at Laubegast, Kronstädter Platz. This is a picture from the line 6 at station Johannes Friedhof. This is an ad of the ladies sports club, DSC Dame Sport Club, 1898. This is the line 6 at the station near the station Rosa-Luxemburg-Platz. Line 6 goes from Niedersedlitz to Wölfnitz. And this train has a green ad of an energy provider. This is a picture from the station Infineon Süd on the line 7, which goes from Weixdorf to Penrich. This is a picture from the transit station Albertplatz in the inner city, and this again is the model NGT D12DD. This is the terminus of the line 8 at Hallerau-Kiefernweg. Line 8 goes from Hellerau to Südvorstadt. This is a picture from the station Brunnenweg of the line 8. This is a picture from the station Am Heilerrand. This is the model NGT D8DD, and it has an ad of a radio station in Dresden. This is one big bridge in Dresden. It's Augustusbrücke, Augustus Bridge. It was first documented in 1230, and a new bridge was built in 1910, and it was recently renovated. Nowadays, only the tram, taxis, and pedestrians are allowed on this bridge. This is an old print of this bridge, Augustusbrücke. Has a high cultural and historic value. There's another transit station in the inner city, that's the Postplatz. It's a transit station of the line 8. This is again an advertisement for a radio station. Wir lieben Dresden means we love Dresden. This is a picture from the line 8 at the station Hauptbahnhof Nord. There's an ad of the Dresdner Eislöwen, which is an ice hockey team. This is the model NGT D8DD at this, near the station Reichenbachstraße on the line 8. This is the interior of the model NGT D8DD. This is very interesting. That's hidden controls at the back of the train that are hidden under a panel. And this allows the tram driver to drive the tram backwards. This is a picture of the terminus of the line 8 at Südvorstadt. This place is also called Nürnberger Ei because of the shape of this place. Looks like an eye, like an egg from above. This is the line 9 at the station Postplatz. Line 9 goes from Prolis to Kaditz. And this ad is from the Dresdner Kreuzchor, which is a boys' choir. This is a same station, different time on the line 9, Postplatz. It has an ad of the Technical University of Dresden, Technische Universität. This is another picture at the Postplatz, which is also place Zwinger. This tram has an ad of the soccer club SG Dynamo Dresden. And this is the Dresdner Zwinger, which is located near this place. It's a palatial complex, was built 1710 to 1728 in the Baroque period. And this is a very nice picture of its garden complex inside Dresdner Zwinger. This is a picture of the line 9 at the station Walpurgisstraße. That's the model NGT D8DD. Again, the number 8 indicates the number of the axles. This is the line 10 at the station Georg Arnold Bad. Line 10 goes from Messe Dresden, which is Trade Center Dresden, to Striesen. And this is the model NGT D8DD. This is the tram at the station Altenberger Straße on the line 10. That's the ad of the soccer club SG Dynamo Dresden. This is another tram. It has an ad of the ballroom Watzke on the line 10 at Altenberger Straße. And this is another beautiful building. It's the ballroom Ballhaus and the brewery Watzke. This is the line 11 at the station the Postplatz again. Line 11 goes from Bühlau to Chernitz. And this tram has an ad of outdoor equipment seller. This is a tram without ad at the same station Postplatz. That's the model NGT D12DD. It has 6 bogies with 2 axles each. and it's a 5-segment tram. This is the eastern terminus of the line 11 at Bülow-Ullersdorfer Platz. This is the line 12 at the station Postplatz again, and this is the transit station. The line 12 goes from Leutewitz to Striesen. This is the line 13 at the station Bischofsweg. Line 13 goes from Prohlis to Kaditz. This train has an ad of the state operetta. This is the line 13 at the station Straßburger Platz, which is another transit station, and it's where the factory of VW is located. This is the VW Gläserne Manufaktur, which means a transparent factory. It was opened in 2002. And nowadays, the model ID3, the electric car of VW, is produced. This is one of the factories where it's produced. This is a special tram. It's from VW, the cargo tram, which transported parts for the car factory of VW. And this tram was retired in 2020. And VW gave us reason changes in the production process. The ID3 electric car has a different production process, and according to VW, this tram was not needed anymore. And you can see it has 5 segments. I think there's at least same capacity as at least 3 tracks, more like 4 tracks. This is a nice picture of a historic tram from 1902. This is another very beautiful picture from a steamship parade on the river Elbe. In the background you can see the bridge Albertbrücke. And this is another very beautiful place that's 43 kilometers southeast of Dresden, near Pirna. That's the Bastei Bridge. That was today's video about Dresden and its tram lines. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.